You know that voice in your head that says don't start until it's perfect? Yeah. That voice might sound like motivation, but in reality, it's a trap. Perfectionism isn't just about high standards. It's the constant, exhausting belief that nothing you do is ever good enough. And while it might push you to succeed, it can also burn you out fast. Psychologists say perfectionism has two main types: healthy perfectionism, where you aim high but stay flexible; toxic perfectionism, where failure feels like the end of the world. The second one is brutal. It feeds anxiety, procrastination, and even depression. Because when good isn't good enough, you either overwork endlessly or don't start at all. Studies show perfectionists are more likely to struggle with insomnia, eating disorders, and burnout. One famous Harvard study even linked extreme perfectionism to higher rates of early mortality. Yeah, trying too hard to be flawless can literally kill you. So why do we do this to ourselves? A lot of it comes from fear. Fear of judgment, of not being loved, of losing control. Social media doesn't help either. Every scroll screams, everyone's crushing it but you. Spoiler alert, they're not. The brain releases dopamine when we get praise or validation, so perfectionism becomes addictive. You chase that hit of approval again and again until your entire self-worth depends on external results. But here's the thing. The opposite of perfection isn't failure, it's progress. The healthiest people aim high, but accept that mistakes are part of growth. Michelangelo didn't carve the David in one go. Edison failed hundreds of times before the light bulb worked. So, if you're stuck tweaking the same project for the 50th time, stop. Done is better than perfect. Progress beats paralysis every single time. Let go of flawless. Embrace finished. Because perfection isn't real, but learning is. And that's baby science for you.